In this video, we're going to look at a basic example of the XLOOKUP function. So we have the data here, and this is the top 100 films from the Internet Movie Database with the movie titles in column A and their position in column B. And we're going to use the XLOOKUP function to return the position for the Lion King film. So if we open up XLOOKUP, specify the lookup value, which will be this cell here, D2, with the Lion King in. Then specify our lookup array cells, which is all of these cells with the movie names in. And then we're going to press F4 to lock those cells. It's best practice. Then specify the return array, which is all of these cells with the position in, and lock those with F4. And then we don't have to enter these remaining parts of the formula. So we're just going to close this off and then hit enter, and we get the position of 34 returned here. And if we just scroll down, we can see that the Lion King here is in position 34, so the XLOOKUP formula is working just fine. So that's just a basic example of the XLOOKUP formula, which is a really powerful and really useful function to know. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.